This video will explore Gherkin features and scenarios. Gherkin features are described in plain text files with a .feature extension. And inside that .feature file, the first line normally begins with the keyword feature, and note the capital F. A feature itself typically contains a list of scenarios, and each scenario typically contains a list of steps. And each of those steps begins with one of the keywords and, but, given, then, and when. There are a couple of other keywords as well, including background, a compound keyword, scenario outline, and examples. So here are the steps for creating a feature. First, you have to create a directory for the project and then navigate inside it. So that's what we're doing here in step 1. And obviously this is a Linux or Mac OS X operating system. So mkdir my calculator, and then we're going to navigate inside that directory. Then in step 2, we're going to create a features directory. So we issue an mkdir features command. Then we create a scenario for adding in the calculator test in this example. And that occurs here. So basically we navigate inside the features directory, cd features, and then nano, which is just an editor, add.feature. And basically what that will do is that will create this file if it doesn't already exist and open it in the nano editor. So this is probably a Linux example. Then inside your feature file, this is what you specify. So here's feature, notice the capital F again, and a description or title. In this case, just a title, no description. Scenario, title, no description. And then here's the steps, given, when, and then. Okay, when you implement a feature, basically Cucumber uses Gherkin to provide feedback. And when you run Cucumber without a feature file, so you just create the folder, for example, or the directory for the features files, so you create the features directory. If you run Cucumber at that point, you'll see the scenario will be listed as 0. Then if you add a scenario to a feature file, then that scenario output will be increased by 1. And we'll see an example of that shortly. Again, after feature implementation, Cucumber provides us with results about the test, and it gives us some sample code snippets that are written in Ruby. So let's go over to my development machine and